Hey guys, welcome to the live game creation process from scratch. To make our character movement more convincing, we are going to add the smoke effect. This is a minute detail, but we are gonna integrate it. But before that, we are going to polish our games. With the help of AI, I have designed some float movements to our character. So here, our game movement was default left, right, and jump. Let's erase this and place our new script and update our codes. So here, open up our script and just paste it. Here it goes. And then if you just play our game, you can see that our movement is updated. Instead of just right, left and jump, we updated its movements. This looks more fun in our space ambience. So guys, you can explore the ends of our world like this. The movement is fine, and here you can see that our character stuck on a platform. So at the earlier stage of our project, we have added a collision shape here, so we have to remove that. Take our player animated sprite collision shape. So in our game 0 static, if you look closely, here is our collision shape. So this is a static body 2D collision shape. That is why we can't move downwards. So we don't need it at this point. So we are just going to delete it. So here it is. And just gonna reload our game. So now if you see, you can move up, down, right, left. So you can make a full circle with this, and you can go as low as anywhere. So it's space, and we are moving freely through the space. This is very fine now. I like this very much. I don't know if you like this. If you like this, comment below and follow for more updates. Now we are going to integrate some details to his movements. So in space, you can't just move without the Newton's third law. That is, every action there is an equal and opposite reaction. So you need to expel anything in space to propel forward. So we are gonna expel some smoke. I have tried drawing smoke, but for the time being I found some smoke effect in internet, and here it is. The creator is Jason Tomley, and he created incredible sets of smokes. Here is the page. I will leave a link to this page on the description. You can check out him later. So I have downloaded a bundle, then I open it in as sprite. So here it is. We have created a complete set of smokes. So in this one, we only need the 3 tagged sets. So we will just hide these layers, and we don't need these colored smokes now. So we are going to delete these portions. Delete, 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 delete. So these are a complete set of smokes. Let's just export it. So while exporting, we have to name this as smoke.png, trim borders, trim cells by grid. So now it's layout, and in the output just export as smoke. So now we are going to just drag our smoke into our sprite folder. So here in our sprite folder there is something called balls.png. So I have tried integrating some balls, but I changed my mind. Just delete this, remove. So hero, smoke, and space. That's it. So for a smoke animation to run smoothly, we have to create a new scene. Save this scene, click 2D scene, then you have to click Ctrl Shift and S. Then in scenes we are naming this as smoke effect yes, yeah. So we have here our smoke effect scene. In smoke effect scene, we are going to animate our smoke. So animated sprite 2D, create, then select our sprite frames. In sprite frames, you can see that our, sorry, you can just add frames from sprite in asset folder sprites. Here is our smoke animation. For this to work, we are going to animate all the possible smoke directions. So here I have made a silly mistake. While exporting your sprite sheet, you have to select sprite and selected layers. Instead of selected frames, you have to select all frame. Here you can export your sprite. Again, we have exported all the frames from sprites. Let's continue our step. Click sprite frames, and here let's change this as smoke left. Okay, so add frames and select your smoke. Now you can see all the frames are exported here in our sprite sheet. As left animation, we have 1, 2, 3 and 4, 5 and 6. So we have selected 6 frames that contains our left smoke animation. So here, if we just play this, we can see our left smoke animation. So here, add another animation, rename it as smoke right. Okay, click smoke right, select our PNG, and here if you look at closely, this is our animation. Here and here. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So total 6 frames. And if we play this, smoke right is animated. Okay, and add one more, smoke up. For smoke up, we have to open again our sprite, and this is the smoke up animation. Just play here. This is it. Okay, and we have to integrate smoke down animation to smoke down sprite sheet. And for smoke down animation, we are going to select our animations. So not here, here, here and here. You can see that it's already playing smoke down animation. So we have to update our player 0 code and smoke effect code. So in player 0, open code and just use your Gemini or ChatGPT, whatever AI you have, and from that let's just update our script. Just copy the codes and then paste it here. Then again copy our code for animated sprite 2D, and then come here, smoke effect, animated sprite 2D, and then attach a script. For path, you have to select scripts and animate. For instead of animated sprite 2D, you have to create dot gd. Yes, should be capital, just like our C name. Click create. So here let's try to run this. So here we have an error. Let we change smoke effect. This is good. Now I think it must run. Now you can see that our hero is smoking, but it's like he is smoking some weed. We don't have to correct something. Select your smoke effect, then animated sprite 2D. You can always delete this node. Node 2D isn't required for this. Select animated sprite 2D, and here in transform, scale it down. We need only 0.2% of that smoke. Okay, let's play and check. This is it. We don't need a chain smoker, we just need this. It's fine, but here you can see that our smoke just stays in our screen for too long. It isn't disappearing. We have integrated our logic perfectly, but we have hit an mechanical failure. Why? Because our smoke stays in. We had a queue-free command in the code to simply erase our animation when it's finished. Why it is not erasing the smoke is because we have selected loops in our animation. Selecting loops creates an infinite sets of animations, so the animations never get finished, and so our queue-free command doesn't run. So let's correct it. Go to animated sprite 2D, right frames, then here select our smoke down, and then disable animation looping. Smoke left, disable animation looping. Smoke right, disable animation looping. Smoke up, disable animation looping. Then just play our script, then see for yourself. So this is now perfectly animated. The smoke effect has been perfectly integrated. So let's play around for a while. This looks fun, by the way. So our zero is a mini bot. He is moving by just releasing some smoke to create a dust effect.